Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can change the label for your emails on Gmail without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Head over to your inbox on Gmail and browse through your inbox to find the email you would like to label or change the label for. So let me go, for example, with that email here. What you want to do is right-click on the given email, and after that, hover your mouse over the section label as here, and here to the right, simply select the label you would like to assign to that email. So let me, for the sake of this tutorial, go with that label here I created for the sake of this tutorial. Select the box next to the label, confirm by clicking on apply here. And after that, as you can see, the label will be automatically and instantaneously applied to the email here. Also guys, the given email will be sent or moved to the label folder here on the left hand side if you created a custom label. So guys, if you'd like to change that label, repeat the same process. Right click on the given email, hover your mouse over label S, and simply select another label. So unselect the previous label by clicking or unselecting the checkbox, and select the checkbox for another label, like for example social. Confirm by clicking on apply here, and it is going to move the given email to the labeled folder and assign a label like this to it. You may also undo it by clicking on undo here, and that undoes the action or reverses it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.